Click on the link below to get price. The ALORAIR Basement / Crawlspace Dehumidifier is a robust solution for managing moisture in challenging environments like basements and crawlspaces. With an impressive capacity of 198 pints per day at saturation and 90 pints according to the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers, AHAM, it is ideally suited for areas prone to dampness. This model has been engineered with efficiency in mind, featuring a powerful compressor that ensures rapid moisture removal, even in temperatures as low as 36 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its durability. With a 5-year limited warranty, ALORAIR demonstrates confidence in its product's longevity. The unit is built with high-quality materials, making it resilient against the corrosive effects of moisture. Additionally, its compact design allows for easy placement in tight spaces without compromising performance. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included user manual and built-in pump that can discharge water up to 16.4 feet vertically. This feature is especially beneficial for homeowners who may not have convenient drainage options. The dehumidifier also comes equipped with an auto restart function, which is a lifesaver during power outages. When the power returns, it resumes operation without requiring manual intervention, ensuring continuous moisture control. Noise levels are surprisingly low for a unit of this capacity, making it suitable for residential environments. Users can enjoy a dehumidified space without the disruptive hum typical of many industrial-grade models. Another notable aspect is the unit's digital display and user-friendly controls, allowing precise adjustments to humidity settings. The continuous drainage option further enhances convenience, eliminating the need for frequent emptying of the water tank. Overall, the ALORAIR Basement / Crawlspace Dehumidifier excels in performance, durability, and user-friendliness. It effectively tackles dampness, improves air quality, and protects your home from moisture-related issues. Whether you face humidity challenges in your basement or crawlspace, this dehumidifier is a worthy investment.